Hey guys, okay, I'm playing Troll Tower Winning is I do. I'm just doing this. I'm gonna try to get up into the end. So yeah.
Is Jana going to play with you?
No.
Okay.
I don't know, he can join me if he wants to.
Ooh.
Okay. No! How did I fall?
That was Johnny's.
Cause you're bad.
No.
If you need help, just say it to me. I'm a pro.
Do I need to say your password?
No. Or do I have to
Kan
say
ik
your
ook weer even jagen?
You don't even know it.
What?
You don't even know it.
Gaan weg.
And you don't even know my password.
Bro, why is all the people here?
They want to troll.
Yeah, they're trolling people.
They want to troll because they are trolls.
Played tower, slap tower 2, né? They trolled me the whole time.
If you need help, just say it to me. Oh, that was so close.
Well, I'm the pro.
Bruh, El Sammy. He's on Team Sammy. Bruh.
Bro, why is there a green Sammy here?
Zoek iemand.
I don't know. It won't let me walk there. Sarah.
Do you need help? Okay. Guys, I'm playing for Reggie. Reggie, whatever you call him.
Thank you, Milan.
No problem. What was that? What was that?
A pro.
Nah, that's
Okay, guys, I think that's all for today.